8K 30, and I'm going to look for the zoom capabilities and macro and the bitrate. That's what I wanted to check. So let me take this flower, this one here. I go to auto tracking. Now it says start deep tracking. This flower now is tracked. So if I move over here, the head of the gimbal will follow this flower. Alright, since I'm recording 8K full bitrate, I can zoom into 1.9, 2.9. 2.9 is my zoom, my maximum zoom. I'm still at the same distance as the initial video, like the beginning of the video. We are here almost 1 minute. Okay, so I'm getting closer with the camera. Like, this is too close, as you can see. I'm having trouble. So I can put my hand in between. You can see how my finger is. So it's one hand in between the distance. I'll zoom out of this. Okay, I zoom back to 1.0. 1.0, and now I go in with the camera all the way. How far can I go? How far can I go? How far? Oh, it's moving. I'm sorry about this. It's moving. Let me hold it. So this is not so good. So the zoom in. I'm zooming now. I'm not getting closer. 2.9x zoom in. This makes a better image. Look at this here. I'm still in the auto tracking. Now I turned auto tracking off. This is how close I can get. Wow. See, if auto tracking off, then I have a hard time keeping the flower in the frame.